If the stock market drops 10% next month, do you already know exactly what to do? Most people don't, and that itself is one of the most costly mistakes. Here's why. So why do I call it that? Because over time, investors don't lose money from stock market crashes. They lose money from their own reactions, the panic selling, the purchase too late, and the constant jumping in and jumping out. Again, if you miss just the stock market's 10 best days over the last decade, your total returns would be cut by more than half. That's the difference between retiring comfortably and working an extra 10 years, and that's a very costly mistake. I've coached investors since 2005, and I've seen this happen again, time and time again. People don't lose because they choose the wrong stocks. They lose because emotions take over. They buy when the news is euphoric, so they buy when it's high, and they sell when fear is at the peak, so they sell when it's very low. By doing that, they turn temporary dips into permanent losses. The truth is, successful investors don't react. They follow a process. They know exactly what to buy, when to buy, how much to buy, and when to sell. And once you follow a plan like that, you stop guessing, you stop predicting, you stop panicking, and you start investing with clarity. And in my upcoming live stock investing webinar, I'll walk you through the same 4-step framework I've used to grow my own portfolio. The same rules that I've used to help thousands of students invest confidently, even in volatile stock markets. So whether you're just starting to invest or you've been doing it for many years, it's not too late to stop making that $1 million mistake. So join me live and I'll show you how to stay calm, follow a proven plan, and turn every market dip into a money-making opportunity. Seats are limited, so click below to reserve your spot now, and let's make sure the next big market move becomes your opportunity, not your mistake. I'll see you then.